The magnetic field of straight current carrying wire interactive calculator determines the magnetic field strength around current carrying conductors. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate magnetic field from current. Calculate current from magnetic field. Calculate distance from current and field. 2 parallel wires field at point. Coaxial cable field between conductors, or finite wire segment field at point. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate magnetic field from current. Enter your current I in amperes, for example, 15.5. Then input the distance r in meters, such as 0.025. After clicking calculate, the calculator processes your inputs using the fundamental relationship between current and magnetic field. The results display the magnetic field strength at your specified distance from the wire. This value represents the field intensity in Tesla, showing how the magnetic field decreases with distance from the conductor. The calculator automatically handles the permeability constant and geometric factors, giving you precise field values for your specific configuration. This is essential for electromagnetic interference analysis, sensor placement, and magnetic shielding design. Find the link in the description below.